Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to record Google Meeting. Okay, to record a Google Meeting, we need to click on those three dots right in here. And in here we have the recording option. In my case it's unavailable because everything depends from the country that you are currently in. In my case, in my country this option isn't available. I don't know why, but in other countries to record a video simply click those three dots when you're in the meeting and then click record. But if you are in a situation like me when it's not possible, you can always use some other apps to record, for example the OBS to record the meeting. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.